Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video.
Hey guys, it's Rhonda. And in this video, we are inside of Artistly. And I just wanted to show you another tool or feature in here that you may not be aware of. Okay. Now I have these like vintage state illustrations that I just created. And I will be leaving the prompt. Actually, I'll be leaving a link where you can get all the prompts for all 50 states in the comments below. So, but I just wanted to show you, I created these designs. These are great for t-shirts, but now I need to get them on mockups, right? And, a lot of times what we'd have to do is download these and then upload them into Photoshop or Canva or something like that to create our mockups. But we can do that right from Artistly. If you come up here to the top and click on AI Design Agents, I'm sorry, not design assistants. Okay. AI design assistants. You can go right here to either, we're going to go to Mockup Creator, and I'm going to choose the image from my library, and I'm going to choose this Alaska, and I'm going to ask it to do 4 images, and I'm going to say a photo of a woman wearing a heather gray shirt with this design centered on the front. And actually, I want to add some more detail here. Photo of a woman standing in front of a rustic barn in winter. Okay. And just going to tell it what I want to see in my mockup. I'm going to click generate image, and we're going to give it a couple minutes, a few seconds actually, and it will generate mockups for us. And it removed the background automatically to put it on the shirt. So we have our woman standing in front of a rustic barn in winter in a heather gray shirt with that design on the front. And it gave us 4 different options, which is fantastic. You could use any one of these as a mock-up for this design. You can come back in here, AI Design Assistants, Mockup Creator. You could use the same image. Let's come back and find our Alaska image again. And this time I'm going to do 2. And let's say photo of a man, let's say middle-aged man wearing a black t-shirt with this design on the front. And we can have him, let's have him standing in front of a vintage pickup truck. Okay. And just create these mock-ups right inside of Artistly that you can download and add right to your Etsy listings. Super easy, super fast. You don't need Photoshop or, you know, Canva or anything like that to create some really nice mock-ups. Here's a gentleman, middle-aged, black t-shirt in front of a vintage pickup truck. So it gave us some really nice outcome. All right, there's another. Now, sometimes, the colors might be off a hair, so you might want to look at those and make sure it did. But again, we had black lettering on this, so it really had to change it so it would show up on the black t-shirt. So let's do the Pennsylvania one quick. We'll come in here, Mockup Creator, choose from library. Let's grab Pennsylvania and let's do 2. And in this one, let's do a photo of a woman wearing a bright orange hunting cap, light gray, a light blue t-shirt with this design on the front. Okay, and let's have her standing in front of a large tree in the forest. And you can get as detailed as you want or as broad as you want. We could have just said a photo of a woman with this design on the shirt, and we still would have gotten a mock-up. In fact, we will do one that easy. And here we go. We have our woman in the bright orange cap, blue t-shirt, standing in front of a large tree. So you can get some really fun mock-ups out of Artistly without using any other program. And we don't have to use designs we made here, right? I can drag a design in from another AI generator, and let's do 2 here. And let's just go real basic on this one. Photo of a toddler girl with blonde hair wearing a t-shirt with this design, and that's it. Okay, that's all we're doing. Photo of a toddler girl with blonde hair wearing a t-shirt that has this design on it. We will see what we get. There we go. How cute is that? How cute is that? And it did it in a white and in a pink shirt. So that is super cute. And you can do this with anything. Let's go back in here and let's do Mockup Creator. And let me drag another design in. Oop, that one's too big. Okay. That's because I had already upscaled that. So let me grab this one that I made earlier today, the cute little dogs for Valentine's. And let's put this one on photo of a white coffee mug with this design. Coffee mug. Yeah, let's just do that simple and see what we get. I'm wondering, if we might need to be more specific in the size of our coffee mug or, what it looks like. We'll see. Nope, there it is. It put it on a white coffee mug sitting right there on the counter. So that looks really good too. So keep that in mind that you can create your mock-ups right here inside of Artistly without ever leaving this program. You don't need Photoshop or Canva to create your mock-ups. You can do it right here, really fast and really easy. Here is the cow. I did this one a little earlier today, standing in front of a rustic barn in fall, design on her t-shirt. And they put the same hat that's on the design on her head, which I think is absolutely adorable. So you can just come in here and, have some fun, try it out. If you do try it out and you get some good mock-ups, let me know. Let me know if you are happy with the type of mock-ups that you're getting from Artistly. All right. So I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to show you this cool feature that you may not have been aware was in here. All righty. So as usual, thank you guys so much for watching. And please take the minute to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.